Okay guys, it's me Brian, and I got another unboxing for y'all today. Pull out my box cutter. And as you can see, what I got is the Razer Deathstalker. This is, if I can flip it around, the Expert. This is a chickless keyboard, which means it is like a laptop. The reason I ordered this is because I had to have it mechanical keyboard, the RGB one, and the box, it came damaged. I don't know if you can tell, but the box got a little damaged in transit, and it's kind of hard to get to flap out everything. Slide this around so y'all can see it. This is how it comes packaged. Right there. Let me just take it. Lift this up. I think I'm aggravating plastics. I'm glad I'm such a professional. Thank y'all. Wow, this is really heavy. I've heard other people talk about it, but you don't really realize it until you hold it, just how heavy it is. Wow. That's crazy. The box is dented, and one of the stems on the, it was actually the one with the exclamation point key was bent, and I couldn't press it. So I sent it back and got this because I really didn't need a mechanical keyboard. I just liked that it lit up. So I have no problem with the chiclet style keys. Excuse me, they don't bother me none. I have another Razer keyboard that has it's the Essential version, the one that's mechanical but not backlit. And while that's fine, I just don't like the fact that it has two USB plugs and a mic and audio input, because it has the built-in pass-through. That's not something I needed nor wanted, but it comes free with my CyberPower PC. Yeah, but that's why I got this, and I'm going to shut it now and open it. I got it open. I'm not going to make y'all watch that. Oh, some more of the specs I'm thinking about it is it's backlit green, chiclet stock apps, dedicated gaming mode, fully programmable, slim chiclet keys, yeah, 30 key anti-ghosting, which means that you can hit more than one key and it'll only register the one that you actually mean to hit, I believe. I could be wrong, but I'm sure somebody will answer that below. And it's compatible with a Razer Synapse 2.0. So yeah, that's the box. And inside this box is, or inside that box is this box, which is awesome. Put this up here so you can see it. And which way does it open? It opens like this. Okay, so put my trusty Craftsman box cutter back up again. Such a pro at this. I'm gonna have like 1 million subscribers after this video. I just know it. This is gonna be the one that makes me famous. And it's lighter than the Havoc keyboard because the Havoc keyboard is made out of metal. You get a couple booklets, which I am not about to pull out of this thing. Now the one thing I can tell you about this is that the Amazon site says that this has a braided cable, but it does not have a braided cable. Stupid sandwich tie. There we go. It just has the regular slick non-braided rubber coated cable. More tape. Okay. Okay. Got some plastic on it. It's got some non-slip material on the bottom. It's got like a wrist rest. Okay guys, it's me Brian, and this is what the Razer keyboard looks like all lit up. The GoPro makes it seem like it's a brighter hue than what it actually is. It's actually like the perfect hue. It's not too bright, it's not too dark. You can actually see, hit F11. And you can make it dimmer, and then hit F12 to make it brighter. I believe that's the brightest as it'll go. The other keyboard, the Havoc that I had, it was like extremely bright, which normally that's a good thing, but it kept reflecting off my monitor, and the one key with the exclamation point on it was bent, so I had to send it back. I think I was able to insert the part of the unboxing video that I was going to do for it to show you all the dent. But yeah, this is a chiclet stock keyboard like I mentioned before. To show you how it sounds, hope y'all are able to hear that. That is like a little, almost like a squeak. When I don't know if that's the sound of it registering the keystroke or what. I don't think it's like a faulty key, because it does it on pretty much every key. So I think that's just the sound of it registering the keystroke. But as far as that, I love it. I love the laptop keyboards. I just think that as much as I love to have it, and it was awesome while I had it, but other than the one key being bent, I found out that I didn't like mechanical keyboards. It's just too loud. I like to stay up at night to play games, and I didn't feel comfortable having a mechanical keyboard while my family's trying to sleep. But this chiclet keyboard is just amazing. I don't know why people give Razer such a hard time. Yeah, they're kinda overpriced, but you get your money's worth, I think. Don't shoot me down for that, but that's my personal opinion. I love it. Here, let me turn my lamp on so I can show you all. The only downside that I can find on this keyboard, well, there's two. One is that there's no braided cable like the Amazon website says. It's just a rubber cable. And there's no light on the space bar, but it's lit up well enough where you can tell where the space bar is. And there's another that I wasn't expecting, and that's it could be made smaller. As you can tell up here, there's a lot of material that's not being used, a lot of space that isn't being taken up by any keys. And the wrist rest, which you can see right here, it's got a material which is nice and comfy, but I'm really close to my keyboard and I have no use for a wrist rest, which that may be a positive for y'all. But I think if they can come out with one that doesn't have a wrist rest, and maybe one that is more of a slim form factor, then they would have a really big hit on their hands. Those are the only things. Redo the keyboard, put a braided cable, make it a more slim form factor, and they can make one without the wrist rest. For the ones that don't need it, it'd be perfect. And I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I will talk at y'all later. Love y'all. God bless.